As we continue tracking expectations across sectors in the budget, we look at the new coalition government and what the focus will be on this time.
Absolutely, Haim. And our next report tells you just that. Take a look. With the Union Budget 2024 approaching on July 23rd, various sectors across India are buzzing with anticipation. This will be the first full budget presented by the re-elected Modi government following their Lok Sabha election victory. A common theme across sectors is the hope for renewed tax reforms and increased government spending on infrastructure. The real estate industry, for example, is looking for tax relief to stimulate the market, while the financial sector is eyeing tax breaks for consumers. Additionally, experts suggest raising the standard deduction under the personal income tax structure and simplifying the goods and services tax. The education sector seeks a budgetary boost for teacher training and also digital infrastructure projects. Meanwhile, the small and medium business sector anticipates an extension of the non-performing asset classification timeline in a bid to provide breathing room for managing cash flow. The expansion of the production-linked incentive scheme to include more industries is also high on the small and medium businesses' wish lists. The government has prioritized an investment-led growth strategy in recent years. This has resulted in a major increase in capital expenditure on infrastructure projects. In the 2023-2024 budget, the capital expenditure outlay was nearly 3 times the amount allocated in 2019 and 2020. This trend is expected to continue in the new budget, with a focus on sectors like energy, transportation, and logistics. This increased investment in infrastructure and logistics aligns with the government's long-term goal of transforming India into a $5 trillion economy. Initiatives like the National Logistics Policy and Bharatmala Pariyojana are expected to strengthen connectivity further and also fuel the growth of the logistics industry. The budget is also expected to address the government's ambitions within the semiconductor industry. Increased budgetary allocation for research and development in high-tech sectors like semiconductors is also anticipated. Industry leaders believe that partnerships with global leaders will be crucial for enhancing domestic manufacturing capabilities and positioning India as a leader in this space. With the pre-budget discussions in full swing, industry stakeholders across various sectors are hopeful that Budget 2024 will provide the required impetus for economic growth, job creation, and also long-term sustainable growth. Well, that is driving the current rally in Indian stocks to new record highs and multiple fresh milestones.